Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today to show you a great little trailer. This is a brand new Sundance 2020. This is called the 189 MB. And let's take a look inside. This is the smallest big trailer or the biggest small trailer, you decide. The first thing I want you to know about is these new steps. These steps are just built. They're really nice. They're very easy to go up and down. They don't bounce and wiggle like most steps do. They're very easy to put away. Another thing that's cool is you don't have that big step box hanging down off the bottom of your trailer, so you have better ground clearance. So you come in, the first thing you see is this beautiful queen walk-around bed, all this storage space right here, and then a nice big deep slide out for a small trailer. And it's very comfortable. I mean, this can seat 4 adults quite easily. The dinette will make 2 adult bed. This is all storage down here. You can see how this swings out. They have hidden hinges on the cabinets. That's pretty cool. You've got your home theater system right here with your media center and your TV set. Over here in the kitchen, you've got a sink big enough to clean a steelhead in. It's really a nice big stainless sink. Single handle faucet. Lots of storage up here, and also microwave and an oven. This has that new style oven with a glass front door and a solid glass top, so it's like part of the counter space. Full-size fridge and freezer. Then when we come in the very back, it's got a really nice bathroom. I'm just going to get out of the way. So nice big shower. It's got a cool shower door. It's a retractable. Cleans itself every time you put it away, and it's got plenty of room for anybody. It's just dynamite. Okay, so now the big trick on this one, the big special surprise, is that this is a Murphy bed. And so now what I can do is I could take this guy and I can get him up out of the way. And I got a couch. So now I've got a trailer that's very small, but still has a social area, still has a nice angle on the TV. We can all get in here and have a good time. I only need a bed at bedtime. I don't need it all day long. So getting rid of that bed and having room for a couch is a real asset to me. Okay, let's take a look outside real quick. Now, one of the first things you'll notice about this trailer, it's just a really good looking trailer. It's got some striking exterior colors. It's very sharp. We've got the metal alloy wheels down here. This has a power awning system, has an outside speaker. It's dynamite, and this is set up for cold weather camping. I wouldn't say it's necessarily for deep freezes, but if in normal cold weather, you'll be quite comfortable. If you take a look at this, we've got a full end cap on this. It's really nice. It crowns up over the front, cuts down on the opportunity for leaks. We have a power tongue jack here. Another thing that's really unusual on a trailer this small, it's hard to find a trailer with a rack and pinion slide. Rack and pinion slides are very durable. There's no hydraulics, no pulleys, no cables. They're straight out, they're straight back, and they give you the tallest slide so people don't bump their heads every time they stand up from the dinette. Come around here, we've got cable and satellite hookups. And it's a great looking trailer back here. You can see it's got a nice crown to the ceiling, so there's a good curve shape to the roof for water runoff. This is also pre-wired for a backup camera. So if you want to have a backup camera, we can certainly easily install it on this unit. So this is the Sundance 189 MB. I just want to mention this whole trailer is only about 22 feet long, so it's very easy to pull and park. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a lot more to show you and a lot more to say about it, but we only have a little bit of time here. So I hope you feel free to give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.